Okay, chicken, cream sauce, pasta, lovely stuff. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So you can use any pasta you want. I'm using this tagliatelle today. There's about 4 cups there cooked, so get your pasta cooked, up to you. Chicken, 2 cups roughly. I'm using breast chicken. You could use thigh or something like that. No skin, no bone. I've cubed it, slice it if you want. 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of green peas. These were a frozen garden pea. I just put them in some water and just sort of let them sit there for a couple of minutes. 2 cups here of cream. Now I'm using a thick cream. It makes no difference if you use thick or thin. I get a lot of emails about that. So it will make no difference whatsoever. A teaspoon of oregano or oregano, whatever you say, and a nice tablespoon, maybe slightly more of garlic. I want a lot of garlic in this one. Let's get moving. Okay, here we go. So pan is on above medium heat. You want some oil in there. I've got a couple of tablespoons of oil in there. I'm using avocado oil today, but use any oil that you want. We're going to drop in the 1 cup of onion, the 2 cups of the chicken, and then we're going to go with a little bit of salt and black pepper, and then we're going to just fry this around for about 4 minutes on and above medium heat. We'll have this done in absolutely no time. Next up, we're going to add that tablespoon of garlic, or maybe just a bit over for me this lot is, but that's how I want it. Let's get those peas in. Like I say, just stuck them in some water. Teaspoon only of oregano or oregano. Again, we're going to go for about another 4 minutes on this lively heat, stirring often. We're nearly there, nearly done this. Fabulous stuff. Next up, we're going to grab that 2 cups of cream. Like I said, I'm using a thick cream. Thin cream will also work. In the UK, we call thin cream single cream, and this will be double cream. You can then add some water, stock, or the water from the pasta. About 100 ml goes in there. Keep on this lively heat. Keep stirring. I'll see you in 2 minutes only. Just a couple of minutes here. Really lovely. If you want, stick some Parmesan cheese in there if you want. In goes my pasta. About 4 cups of this tagliatelle. We're going to work this in for about 2 to 3 minutes with the heat on. Then we're ready to serve. Check it for salt, check it for pepper. It's great for me. Delicious stuff. Well done, everyone. Well done. So I've just stuck a little bit of chopped parsley on the top of mine, but if you, like I said, if you want a bit of Parmesan cheese in there, it works really nicely. That's a really simple, beautiful, easy cream sauce chicken pasta. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.